this was a very tiring process. It's the first time that I do my own hair like this, and I was getting to a point where I just thought, what was I thinking? This is too much head, it's too much hair, it's too much everything for me to finish all on my own. And I really wanted to do it in one day, because I remember the day that I did these, the next day was my son's birthday. So my eldest son was turning 8, and I didn't want to have half a head complete, on my boy's birthday. But it was taking so much longer than I had anticipated. And my husband, luckily enough, was willing to help. He offered to help, and he helped me finish the braids. The process. You basically will braid your hair into single strands, and then you will take the crochet needle, you push it underneath your braid to the other side with the latch open, and then you'll hook the loop area into the crochet needle. You close that and then pull it under your hair. So you pull it underneath the braid that you created, and then you'll take the tip of the faux loc, put that in the crochet hook, and then pull that through the loop of the faux loc, and then work that down to the base of your braid, the single braid that you made, and make sure that's nice and secure on there. And then you will take your crochet needle, push the crochet needle up the faux loc in the middle, all the way down to the bottom as you can get it, as close to where your hair is braided. So you get the crochet needle all the way through the middle of your faux loc, and then it pops out at the bottom, and then you take your braid and you hook it onto the crochet needle, close the latch, and then pull that into the faux loc, so your hair will be contained within the faux loc and it's hidden in there. And that's how you install it basically. And you just have to now repeat the whole process over and over and over a couple of times until you've completed your entire head. But I had dreadlocks, and I thought I think I would enjoy faux locs because I really loved my dreadlocks when I had them. And then I found the ones that have a loop on them, and it looked simple enough. I'm like, okay, yeah, I can do this. I can totally do this. I bought a pack. I'll add a link to the description of the faux locs that I purchased. And basically the faux locs that I purchased came with a crochet needle that has a little hook at the top. It came with the little decorative thingies that you can put on your hair. I don't know what the name of those things are, but it came with that, and it was 6 packs of hair that have around 21 strands each in a pack. So I used 4 of those. I didn't make super small blocks on my head, and I only had to use 4 packs. So
don't give my baby, don't give my sweetie, don't give my baby, don't give my baby.
Thank you so much for helping me do my hair, babe.
You're the best. You're the best, babe.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Everything self-care, including doing your hair, is what we do on this channel.
Yo, the lighting, oh my word.